New school year, and health experts hope that includes getting them vaccinated against COVID. That's why the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services spent the afternoon trying to answer questions and concerns about the COVID vaccine. Thanks for joining us for the news at 6. I'm Meg McLeod.
And I'm Elise Ramey. David is on assignment. TV5's Raven Blue sat in on the meeting, and experts said the pandemic is not over.
Who were thinking, maybe we'll just wait it out. Maybe the pandemic will be over and we will never have to get vaccinated. We can just sit this one out. COVID's not going away. And in fact, we are predicting surges of infection in the fall and in the winter.
As thousands of kids across Michigan prepare to head back to school soon, health officials are urging parents to get their children vaccinated before the start of the school year, especially kids under the age of 5.
We know young children are very likely to spread the virus, and as we go back to school, back to daycare, back to summer camps and sports, these are high likelihood places for spread. And using this tool can make this disease very easy and tolerable for young children and their families.
The surge in COVID cases is being driven by the Omicron subvariant BA.5, the most transmissible strain of the coronavirus.
Since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic, among U.S. children aged 6 months to 4 years of age, there have been over 2 million cases of COVID-19, over 20,000 hospitalizations, and over 200 deaths. And for me, those numbers are enough to really convince, I think, many parents about the importance of this vaccine in this particular age group.
Officials say many parents are concerned about the risk of myocarditis after vaccination, but says the risk of adverse cardiac outcomes are actually higher after COVID.
For those parents who are on the fence about this vaccine because of that particular risk, I want to make sure that you know that we feel very comfortable with this vaccine in spite of any potential risk for myocarditis.
Everyone 6 months and older is eligible for COVID-19 vaccinations, and those 5 and older are eligible for a booster. Raven Blue, WNEM TV5.
As of last week, more than 67% of Michiganders have received at least one dose of the COVID vaccine.
The fight